Good afternoon and salam Ibu Pertiwiku. And now for world news. The parents of a Franco-Irish teenager whose body was found in the Malaysian jungle said they believe there was a criminal element to her disappearance, which police classified as a missing person case. The unclothed body of 15-year-old Nora Koirin was discovered in August after a 10-day hunt through dense rainforest in a ravine about 2.5 kilometers from the resort where she had been staying. In an interview published today, they said something very complex had happened, adding that they have always insisted that there was a criminal element involved. Police said back in August that the results of an autopsy found Nora likely starved and died of internal bleeding after about a week in the jungle, adding that there was no indication she was abducted or sexually assaulted. But her parents said they were seeking truth and justice, and that it was impossible physically and mentally to imagine that she could have got any distance at all. They are waiting for the full results of the autopsies carried out in Malaysia and London. India's Supreme Court today turned down a plea to stop the implementation of a new citizenship law that has set off violent protests in the country, but said it would hold hearings next month on the sweeping measure. The Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) makes it easier for non-Muslims from the neighboring countries of Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan who settled in India prior to 2015 to gain Indian citizenship. Thousands of people have protested, saying the law is anti-Muslim and the latest in a series of measures by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Hindu nationalist government to marginalize the community. The Supreme Court Chief Justice refused requests to hold off the implementation of the law, which came into effect last week. The court will, however, hear petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the law on January 22nd. Demonstrators rallied in New York yesterday to call for U.S. President Donald Trump's impeachment and removal from office on the eve of the House of Representatives' expected vote to impeach him. Organizers said they were expecting thousands at a rally and march through Midtown Manhattan, one of more than 600 events calling for Trump's impeachment that were scheduled to take place across the country. Trump faces one charge of abuse of power for asking Ukraine to investigate former Vice President Joe Biden, a leading Democratic contender to oppose him in the 2020 presidential election. The House will vote on Wednesday on 2 articles of impeachment against the president, which, if approved, will send the matter to the Republican-led Senate to hold a trial on whether to remove him from office. Well, that's all the news updates for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Razi Ahmad for TV Sarawak, signing off.